kohustuslik loomulikult. Nii, kas see testimine on vabatahtlik? Esimene muidugi mitte ei ole. Kas HIV levib kätlemisel? Esimene variant, kui kirglikult kätt suruda, siis ikka levib. Number 2, see ei ole võimalik. Number 3, jah, kui HIV positiivsel on käe peal saama. Condoms, the calendars, and a lot of smiles.
I'm going to say number 2. What was the first one though?
If the fly is biting you from the neck.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2.
Okay, great.
You have won. Very good answer.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.